how to open an account with chasebank. The first things first, I'm going to be using my laptop for you to have a better view or a wider view on what we're doing. And I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. Now, if you're using the same thing, just go ahead and head directly to your search bar and type in chasebank. Now from here, just choose on the chase.com. That will automatically route you to their official website. Now this is going to be the homepage of the chasebank.com's official website. Before you open an account, there are things that you have to check on first before you will successfully create an account for you. Now, creating an account is basically for business, for credit cards, checking, travel, savings, and so on and so forth. These are the things that the Chase Bank offers, or they are one of their features if you open an account with Chase Bank. Now to get started, just simply click on open an account and you will be routed to this page. Now in here you can choose on open an account with a $300 checking coupon code applied when you choose open an account. Or you can also enter your email address here for you to have a coupon that will be sent out to your email address. And here, there are things that you'll need to know first before creating or opening an account with Chase Bank, especially with the monthly service fee. So it's going to be $12 or zero if with one of the following each monthly statement period. So electronic deposits made into this account totaling $500 or more, such as payments from payroll providers or government benefit providers by using the ACH network or the real-time payment or FedNow network. Now, those are the things that you'll need to check first before you will successfully create an account. So, how it works. So, step one, open a checking account online with coupon code or with your email address to get your coupon code. And then step two is make a direct deposit totaling $500 or more within 90 days of coupon enrollment. Now, receive your new checking account bonus for within 15 days. So to get started, you can go ahead and apply for both or you can go directly with the savings account. Now, if you click on this one, you will now then be routed to this page in which you'll have to have a copy of your social security number, a driver's license, or any state ID. Now, just have to fill out necessary information and then click on Get Started. So you just have to fill out general information such as your name, your address, your social security number, and any ID that you can present a valid ID is necessary. So that's it. That's how simple and quick you can open an account with Chase Bank.